Some contractors will actually just offer a contractor's warranty. They'll offer a contractor's material only warranty or a contractor's system warranty. Material only is very much like it says. The material is going to perform based on its design, and the contractor will warrant that. That's probably the lowest warranty available out there. Contractor's full system warranty basically covers if you've got a leak that's not due to a third party or something outside of the workmanship and the materials that were installed, the warranty is going to be covered at no cost. When you want to take it the next level up, you talk about getting a manufacturer's product warranty. Now those are, again, they're very low cost because the manufacturer's basically warranting that what we sent to that contractor is going to perform as designed and advertised for the length of time it was designed to perform. They do provide a little peace of mind, but they don't have as much teeth as, say, a manufacturer's full system warranty, where the manufacturer then says in writing that due to workmanship and or material, if the roof leaks throughout the duration of the warranty, whatever that is, 10, 15, 20 years, that they will cover the cost for the repair of that leak.